At least 3 people are dead, numerous others injured after a tornado outbreak in the Midwest yesterday evening. Here's a tornado from WHAS Channel 11 moving through southern Indiana, crossing the Ohio River. Now, Daniel Felix provided the news station with that. You can see debris getting lofted up in the air as it's crossing, and there's a truck there. Oh my goodness. See some of the debris right there? So this was a true tornado, probably an EF3 when all is said and done. But you can clearly see, again, there's another angle of it here. And that's when it was crossing over the Ohio River. Remember, that crosses several states. This is, again, in southern Indiana. This is from Josh Abbott. He also got video of the tornado crossing over there. In fact, there's the bridge. Crosses right over the bridge. There's a ship there as well. You can see more debris. Look at that on the left, the debris as it's coming in. And that's what you look for a true tornado. Remember, a water spout doesn't need a supercell. It usually forms from the ground up, like a land spout or a gusnado. Look at that. Look at the clouds, how they're moving circular. Get a lot of damage. You can see cars on that bridge. I'm wondering, did they not? I'm sure they saw it. But you never should try to outrun a tornado in your car. Wow. But these people that filmed this, they kept a safe distance. So kudos to them. William News 24, Norfolk. We'll monitor the latest.